Hello, in front of me I've got Star Wars Outlaws. In this video I'll show you how to enter and manage map. In the beginning let's go to menu and go to map. Here you can find your current location, you can zoom in and zoom out. And also on the map we can check our main quest location and syndicates terrain. To set up a point on map, simply press X button, press X to remove it, and to track treasures or any locations, press A button. Now you can see this location on your compass. Also on the map you can check treasures, outpost, and stations. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.